Introduction to the Trustee Code. As one of the largest producers and consumers of tea, India is at the center of the global tea industry. Over years, the tea sector in the country has changed considerably with the emergence of small tea growers and bought leaf factories, which are tea processing factories to which the small growers sell their production. The structure of the industry presents sustainability challenges in the sector. Trustee is an Indian sustainability code and verification system for the tea sector which addresses some of these challenges. The code enables a tea supply chain that follows agreed, credible, transparent and measurable criteria verified by third-party certification agencies. Trustee Code encompasses all aspects of tea manufacturing and supports sustainability across the chain by improving productivity, quality and maintaining safety standards. The code mandates compliance to relevant national regulatory requirements. It supports smallholders and estates in improving the competitiveness of tea gardens by positively influencing the practices and scale of production, farm organization, processing, new technologies, and supply chain management. More information on the Trustee program is available on our website. The Trustee Code, e-learning online application. The Trustee e-learning program has been designed to encourage personnel from estates, small tea growers, bought leaf factories and other stakeholders to want to delve into the contents. It is the code implementation guide in a movie platform, complete with commentary, graphics, illustration and animation, which together provide for an interesting experience in understanding the accepted sustainability standards, verification and certification process. We are hopeful that the adult learner will embrace this as a convenient learning tool. The code comprises 11 chapters, namely 1. Management system and continuous improvement. 2. Product traceability. 3. Soil conservation and management. 4. Water management. 5. Fertilizers. 6. Plant protection formulations, PPF. 7. Food safety. 8. Safety, health and welfare of workforce. 9. Working conditions and workers' rights. 10. Biodiversity and environmental management. And 11. Waste and pollution management. The code has a total of 105 criteria points for compliance. The definitions of the categories of points are as follows. Zero tolerance criteria points. If a certified unit is observed not complying to these criteria points, the verification certificate of the unit is liable for immediate cancellation. In case of first verification audit, the audit process is likely to be stopped. Mandatory criteria points. In case of non-compliance of any of these criteria points, the entities are allowed a time period of 90 days from the date of audit to conform to them. A new verification certificate or a renewed verification certificate cannot be issued if the non-compliance is not closed within the stipulated time. Non-mandatory other criteria points. Non-compliance to these criteria points are required to be closed as per the corrective action plan. A minimum of 50% of compliance to these criteria points is required in the year 1 of the certified unit, continuously improving the compliance to 65% in year 2 and 80% in year 3. The 105 criteria points comprise zero tolerance criteria 14, mandatory criteria 55, non-mandatory other criteria 36, total criteria points 105. The criteria points that are applicable to estates, factories or small tea growers are indicated alongside the code requirements by the following symbols.